Here's the secret to making money and building wealth in your 20s. But make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you skip even one part, forget millions. You won't even be able to build $100 worth of wealth, and you'll stay broke. I've broken this video down into 3 simple steps to make everything super easy to understand, so don't miss a single one. And if you really want to become a millionaire, stay with me till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Start saving early. Your 20s are the best time to start building wealth. Begin by saving, even if it's a small percentage. Saving early gives your money time to grow through compound interest. It's not about how much, but how soon you start. Step 2. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in you. Learn high-income skills, take online courses, start side hustles. Anything that increases your value and earning potential. Skills compound faster than money. Step 3. Be consistent and take action now. The most important step is to start now. Set aside at least 10% of your income for savings or investment every month. The earlier you begin, the sooner you'll achieve financial freedom. If you learned something from this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is where you'll keep getting real, genuine content like this.